Welcome back, guys. Today's video I'm going to take you to two really nice beaches in Montego Bay, and I'm going to just let the video do the speaking because there's nothing like just seeing it, right? Seeing is believing with these beautiful beaches. So I invite you to have a look, and please subscribe because there's lots more adventures coming after this video. I'm going to take you up Fern Gully, I'm going to go rafting down Martha Brae, going to trips to St. Anne. Like, there's a lot more coming your way. I'm going to show you all over Half Moon. So yeah, stay tuned, so subscribe, just make sure you get all these videos. Okay, enjoy the beaches, guys. Today my son and I are going to explore this private beach, and we're going to spend a little time here because my eldest daughter is arriving from the US, and she comes at maybe in about 2 hours. So we're going to just chill out here at the beach, and we just went to Juicy Patty's and got some beef patty and cocoa bread and cran water, and we're hitting the beach here. We're just going to check this out. Apparently this is Hard Rock Cafe that used to be on the other side of this wall, and they're renovating it and they're going to build a small hotel here. I think it's, I forget how many rooms I was told, but can't remember. Anyway, those guests are going to stay at Secrets Beach. This is still going to be maintained as a private beach. So how pretty is this, guys? A really lovely spot to stay, and we can all see when our plane lands. There's a plane coming in right now, and it's a beautiful spot. Sun hot though, I want to tell you. There you have it. That's our little 2-hour flex until she comes in. It's a shame that this isn't open because I hear this is a fun place. The Hard Rock Cafe is behind here, but I'm sure when they reopen it's going to be lovely. So that's why we brought our own patties. There you go. I'm super happy to be here, guys. I'm kind of bringing you with us for the ride. Time to go and jump in that sea. See you later. This beautiful coast, the mountains. Yeah, we have to find some shade because this is like bleaching sun. There's no way. It is amazing, and the thing about it is that it's midday, like 1 o'clock, so yeah, you don't want to bleach too much. Oh, take a walk now. Oh, that feels good, guys. That feels so good. Here's my son enjoying his patty and cocoa bread. I just can't manage it yet because it's so hot. I think that is Sea Winds, but I hear that they're being renovated slowly but surely, but not much is going on with that. Is that Sea Winds? Yeah, that is. Sunday vibe at Dr. Cave Beach with my daughter and my son. He's gone for a walk. Easter Sunday vibes, guys. Everybody's at the beach. It's such a beautiful day. That music just started up right over our head. Could not be a more beautiful day, guys. We had a nice ackee and saltfish breakfast at Pelican, my daughter and my son and I. And then it wasn't a joke to find parking to come out here today. Parking is free on holidays, public holidays.
So there was no cost, but it was just that, as you can see, everybody and their brother is here. So the music just started up, just as I was taking out the camera to do the video. So you have the little music vibes in the background. Look at that water though. Oh, I'll be in it in a flash. So lovely. It's a beautiful day. Flying that Jamaican flag. Oh, it's a new hotel. I don't know how new, but it's S Hotel, sister hotel to Spanish Court Hotel. It's a really, really pretty, guys. Oh, these mountains and this water. We've been having the best weather. I think it rained one time since I've been here, and this is the 9th day. And that was last night, like yesterday afternoon into the night. And it wasn't even a long rain. But it was beautiful. You could see, that smell of the rain. Oh, guys. Just giving you a taste of home. Beautiful Easter Sunday. Taste of home. The fish. Little piece of heaven. When you know, you know. Can't get enough. Time to go and enjoy it. But I couldn't leave you guys out. There is the steel pan up there. Steel pan. There are my kids under the coconut tree. One love, guys. Subscribe, like, share with your friends.